Turn it up, turn it up.
Yo.
2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I don't know what you see me now, I don't know my thing by now. I don't deal with lazy people. I don't deal with lame people. That part of the show here. If your heart is not clean, don't put your hands in the air. If you don't say good over evil, don't put your hands in the air. If you don't say life over death, don't put your hands in the air. If you don't say money over war, don't put your hands in the air. If you don't respect your mother and your father, keep your hand on your side. And if you don't respect yourself as a true human being of value that instills the morals and the principles, but you can leave that show here. Could I see two hands in the air, please? Mr. Video Man, push the video over this. That's the outcome. All I want, bro. What's up? Everybody start through. Maybe I want job. Over there, sir. Over there, sir. Over there, sir. Over there, sir. Round there, sir. All around there, everybody. Turn you. Turn you. Look over here, sir. Oh, turn you. Turn you. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Where you like it? What a fighter. Where you like it? What back fighter. Where you like it? What a spider. All around the bow. And now you go, sir. Where you on? Where you on? Let me see you from here about Babylon. Oh, where you on? Where you on? Push it up. Oh, you get salad. Where you on? Where you on? Can't push it up. That video. Take it up. Can somebody find something and wave? Can somebody find something and wave? Oi! Over there, sir. They got the ramp. Oi! They got the curtain. Oi! Over there, sir. Over there, sir. Hold on. I want to know. I want to know. All I want to wave. Wave your hand like this. Wave your hands like this. BRT, one to the wrist. One to the wrist. Faster. 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 Look at that right there. Oh, look at that. Love and respect yourself and proud of yourself. And in a year. And in a year. Why? Why? Allow not sell out. Everybody's up the sky. Go so, go so, go so. Beyond there. Oh, God. Well, take it up. You know the from night today I'm going to see nobody jump. Arm to the foot. Can somebody jump? Can somebody jump? Can somebody jump? We are doing that jump. Oh, everybody ready? Take it up. Take it up. We ain't being a sellout. Take it up. We're not being a traitor. We're not selling out for heritage. We're not selling out for culture. We're not selling out for philosophy. We're not selling out the curriculum. All I believe in yourself for them. 2 hands in the air. They are there! Ready, ready, muscle. Ready, when you're ready? When you're ready? Everybody, fire keep it that muscle. It's about time BRT sing for me. Down. Take it. Me I wanna sing the song now. I wanna answer what I'm saying now. You know what I hear me say? You know what hear killing. Every time people say Capleton, you don't understand what I say when I'm part of the song. What you really say? Listen, me say. Well, if you continue to do it, then me say we are going to slow it. Come and tell you nothing, try nothing, throw it, you feel screw it. Watch out now. Let me see that flower. Pick it up. Right up. All of the man them know say your woman are number one. One finger in the ear. All of the woman them know say them are number one on the chart. Wife material. One finger in the ear. One finger in the ear. BRT now one finger wave. You know one finger wave. One finger wave. You know that one of them? Mr. That one of them. Jump one up and they look good child. Pull up on the one. That one of them. Take it out. Watch out. Take it out. All of the people them, we're not envy nobody. If you don't know what them process in a life. In life, keep your focus. Know what your goals are. Reach out for them. Now make nobody deter you from go for your goal. And don't nobody tell you say you're not make it in a life. Believe in yourself. Keep your faith. Keep your courage. We'll say one thing Capleton and telling you tonight, is that anytime you get involved in a certain situation, and if it is not for a just cause, please don't play a part. Could I see 5 fingers in the air? 5 fingers in the air! Push them on my video, man! Push them video, man! Give me a 5 finger wave! 5 finger wave! 5 finger wave! What do I tell you? BRT? Oh! Say bad mind! I won't keep it! I say that. Tell them to free of them! Someone sing for me. Never know someone sing for me. That one I am every need somebody to love, somebody to kiss, somebody to hold on your body when it. Watch out. Now answer. Ready? Tell liar pastime preach too much. Tell petty thieves and thieves too much. Tell Mr. Slugger him sleep too much. Tell Mr. Nyama him tweet too much. Tell Donald Trump him tweet too much. Tell Pussy Watchman say beat too much. King of fire. Alright, watch me now. Don't play with me thing, I'll be our team in Rasta. Oh, say somebody said do it again anyway. Love it, man. Me there, man. Life is the ultimate. Rastafari lives and rule and reign. Always remember, you do manifest the activity of your thinking. You create your physical experiences through the way you think and the way you feel. Watch your thoughts. You manifest the activity of your thinking. Be careful when you send out there in the universe and put it in perspective. It come right back at you. So if you want to have good things in life, you have a good meditation. Let me tell you something. You see signal and I want normal something. You see something when you have waves and I want normal something. You see the next thing when you have frequency and I want normal something. You see the next thing when you have energy and I want normal something. But you see ultimately the thing when you have vibration, right now I'm telling you, as high as possible, you can't stay on your vibration, keep it high. You hear me? I tell you, we don't need a low vibration, it won't happen. And always remember, it's only your spirituality can save you. So anything at all we have to do to keep your spirituality inclined and in tune, then let have to do. Remember! Equal rights and justice for all, rise and never fall. Boom! Say what they gonna do, well not for them to do. Then this BRT and gets you. Hey! Who do you think you are? King of fire, them should know. Equal rights and justice for all, rise and never fall. Boom! So what they gonna do? Not for them not true. So what they gonna do? Them gets to ya. Who do you think you are? We're living in a small world. Small world. As wicked as you think you are, we're living in a small world. Small world. But as you think you are, we're living in a small world. Small world. Don't as you think you are. The president and the year. Oh, that day will come. When I stand and think, and those wicked men in the fire getting burned, that day will come. When they will try to escape, there will be nowhere to run. That day will come. When they shall see the end, the over bombs, burn with the bullets and gun. That day will come. Take it down. All I do over lighter. All I do over lighter, put a cellular phone in here. All I do say good over evil, life over death, money over war. Righteousness without nation. Turn them on, turn them on, turn them on. More fire, more fire. And that day I would love to see their face around those evil to the human race. Try to take things out of place, run away to space, to the midnight right. After one of judgment, you walk on the face. When them find with that, they can't escape. Satisfaction and the people them trace. Smile on my face, that day will come. When I stand and see on those wicked men in the fire getting burned. That day will come when they will try to escape and there will be nowhere to run. That day will come when I shall see the handing over bombs and bayonets and bullets and guns. That day will come when Emperor Selassie I shall rise the day. I'll take you them from the slum. Can't escape today, can't escape tomorrow. Make sure you pay back anytime you borrow. Make sure you don't live no life in a sorrow. Make sure you don't lean and straight like arrow. Make sure your brains not push out in a barrow. Make sure you don't make them go out and borrow. Yeah, make sure you meditate and in area. Take it down, take it down, take it down. Make it going. I will remain the same. Alien Rastafari. I watch them going up in flames. For all those innocent going down the drain, you have to pay for these shackles and chains, and pay for these washing of the rain, and pay for these gun and gun. Oh, that day. Don't play. Well, I know. When I say more, you say fire. More! More! When I say Jah, you say Rastafari. Jah! No. Jah! I am in a Rastafari country we live in. Well, I wish we didn't die. Oh, Morgan Heritage. That one we're going to drop right now. And Morgan Heritage produced that one. And we are big up Peter and Zion. Condolences to the entire family. You don't know. Peter Morgan. Hold on! Hey! Come to the brother. I'm gonna talk bad man. What do you know, man? Please. Could I have a minute of silence for Peter Morgan? You know, I'm a legend in our reggae music, you know? The youth of the great world. And the song I want to have a job right now, Morgan is the producer for the one. Silence, please. Silence, please. Please, enter.
Okay, Bruce, I can go ahead now.
Yeah! So that's the power. Yeah. I saw life and I promote to the ISF level. It's it's a destruction to the humanity. Hey, Nicky, watch what I'm doing, so. Yo! BRT! Now I'm on him. Tata City, Tata Town. Don't do that. Yeah. It's a king of fire. Hey! Don't let me go. Oh, now I'm on him. Tata City. Yo, sing. When I look and know, Tata City. One feet on it. When I look and know, Mr. John John Coffin John Brown. We now want no more dirty in the town. Mr. Happy but so don't get you happy, oh. We now want no more dead body. Well, Mr. Joe kill quick. We don't want no more it. We don't want no more grave. We don't want no more casting. Well, our life we promote, which is righteousness. Saddam Metallic. When you say again, Jaja City. One feet on it. Watch it. 30 years I'm going to tell them this. 30 years I'm going to tell them this. Them think them reach the ultimate, yeah, but them not reach the way yet. Them get caught. Pull up. This one I'm going like when I feel with the internet. Say internet. Oh, you mean? Oh, I'm telling you. Don't play. King of fire. All the women of the wickedness are going to Jamaica. I am swearing on the world. All the people that must have put out my evil again. Everybody sing the song. Oh! I said the wicked man. Oh my goodness. Read him up again, you. King of fire, it's the truth. Yeah, man. Take it up. All the people who believe in yourself again. Would I see one in the air like this, please? If you don't believe in yourself, keep your on your side. Remember, I don't know when my thing going on. I ain't actually saying that. Yeah. Oh, my God, so everyone, push up your hand now. Oh, you don't believe in yourself. All right, don't believe in you and see what I believe in you. We about the dirty classes, so. Everybody, yeah. Go and tell them something. All right. Wicked man just fall, but the righteous man stand. Yes, we have a chance for repatriation. Black government, black redemption. Emperor says the almighty one. Yes, we are the appointed and we take a stand. Oh, make we go down Babylon and say again, set the wicked man and on the righteous man. And the good man. Now they work against. Hold on. Without mom and dad, there would be no procreation. Let me tell you something in life. You say if you don't respect your mother, you won't make it in life. You say if you don't love your mother, you won't make it in life. Always remember, without mom and dad, there would be no procreation. None of us will be here tonight. I don't respect and love your mother and your father. 10 hands in a year. 10 hands in a year. Mama, Papa, everybody got to say it very well. Oh, now I'm running every day. Mama. King of fire, them for Go on like them not know. Mama, Papa, ready. Now I am here. Just make you one from the job. When I hear me there, you them say me and I show like I'm far. Come in and I take the food out and them car. Mama and Papa, when they got judgment now and then. Hey, when I was away and send the line them in the letter. Just for sure you say we have to make things better. And a foundation me say we have to set ya. The king said I say as the maker. We are king of blood for me and that's the taker. Good na mama read the whole of them a try to wreck ya. Tell the get to you tell them they think and check ya. But then I come out your cam and I can't win all. What I do me there ya. Mama. No. All I do. Whoa. All of the man that have the woman them. What do you feel like? Whoa. Everything is so fine. The woman of my vision, she's on my mind. So fine. I never make her crazy, never make her cry. So fine. I never leave her lonely in this judgment time. She is so fine. She's mine. Yeah. I need a girl to call my own. I need a girl, won't leave her alone. I need a girl to be my own. I need a girl, oh yeah. I be happy, oh yeah. Tears just dropping on my window. Whoa, whistling like whistling willow, yeah. Pull up that man. I want to tell you, where are you? Read him up. This is for my baby, and this is for my lady. You're the only one to know what I know. Oh, baby, don't cry no more. Oh, this one for the lady. This one for my baby. Y'all know nothing. Sit down. Baby, don't cry no more. Wasting days on the ladies, no, baby, don't cry no more. Wasting days on the ladies, no, baby, don't cry no more. Wasting days on the ladies, no, baby, don't cry no more. Boy, good night to the engineer for the ladies. Who wants to say what they are close? We say this close. You're to the man. Give me them red eyes. You don't want to sing no one. You don't want to sing no one. No one of them. I'm under the fire. Ooh, no. One DJ some lyrics, you know. People, when you can't listen to me, take it on low. Hey, what the sound? Hey, are you ready? Are you ready? Shh. Give me When I hear little man. When I hear little, and listen. I love that smile. King of fire, never let retire. Burn up the bomb. Hear it up. Everybody know the king of and the kingdom. Righteousness are where the king bring come. From St. Mary straight to Kingston. Anything we test them and go get fling down. And them must say discipline is wisdom. If they know we're good for them, better them go sit down. Or they have something that we make them lay down. Thing when me a boss him out big like a drum. We know one boss in a Jamaica we done. You know what? Put our the hand at the crown. We don't really like an island hand at the sun. Put them sugar cane, banana and rum. The shango spring water, but the fan, but the rum. The juice, the mic and the bongo, the jump. The go to small and the eye breathing and they come make me well memory the vision and blaze me chill them 7 mile away. When the tourists run. Hey brother, you wanna, yo, Batman, good. You know man, now play out me now because we got a cappella pound you know. I don't care play, no reading boy. We're not trying to stop me stand for. Okay? Wanna say, don't me start it from top? Start it from top? Everybody know the king of and the kingdom. Righteousness are where the king bring come. From St. Mary straight to Kingston. Anything with the sound will get flicked down. Let them know the discipline is wisdom. Let them know we're good for them. Better them go sit down. I will have something that will be make them lay down. Then when they are bossing out big like a drum. We know one bossing a Jamaica we done. Me know what? Put our body under the ground. We don't really little island under the sun. With them sugar cane, banana and rum. The shango spring water about the fan but the rum. The juice them I can give up but the jump. Big up small and the eye breathing at the drum. Make me hold me meditation and blaze me chillum. 7 mile away south where the tourists run. That's the US signal they just know risk come. That but Jamaica did not tourist fun. Righteousness how I name. Alright, see me if you talk you will dumb. Last word we talk now ask no if fully gum. Cause if they know no more man him can't bully down. It's a simple and a simple who pull it down. True love is not that's why I'm losing down. And see them now when get confusing dumb. Big up St. Mary where the most fire burn. St. Mary may come from me no afraid of none. If you want to bring them there. Run it again, sugar, run it again. We're there. You know what's that thunder? King of fire. Tell me. Remember that thing yet? Remember? Alright, yo, fire! Whoa! Stop! Let's do fire! Aye! Fire! Fire! Yo, ready? Give me a jump! Ready? I want to be a fire! Yo, ready? Yeah, give me a piece of that. Yo, well I know, the lyrics they never do no while ago. It's not hard for them to do it long from here, so big up Papa Son. Anyway, in the world, I'm a DJ. Yeah, man. You know what? Check it out. That one named Stage Show. One of my family that with some of them show here. Some of them are baby. Anyway, if you never hear about them show here, I hear about them now. You know what I hear it? They try to stop us, we get higher. Cause every day I say a prayer. Despite the most high we inspire. BRT come to burn them with fire. The one place a bundle, so the Tony up and the number bundle. Yo, the one place a bundle. Food in our pot and the number bundle. Yo, the one place a bundle. Just to the top of the number bundle. Yo, the one place a bundle. You miss me out of this and here for this. We are the king shop, so I'm a shop of this. The king shop, I'm a decree. Mash up the place, back up the place. Pass me the fire, make me put it on the chair. Mash up that place, Jamaica are the closest to the equator. Mash up that place, back up that place. Lyrics! Ask them how to start the show when name start in action. I am the champion for champion in action. Always I give the people them satisfaction. Make sure they get the youth and get them traction. Look out the call me for lockdown. Jam and me explode the place in an island explosion. But then every I said, here we go. We have a something when you never perform a boat. Mash up the place, I took the place. You keep saying I say I can't even get the mash up the place, I took the place. Knock it out! Fireman always sizzling, summer sizzle. Big off the whole of the stadium like a chisel. Keep up fans them when energetic and busy. Looking at the crowd, light a whistle. We no ride horse, but we saddle to the east. Them money at the top, role model for the east. Yes, with the rebel, back one stone, me rebel with the cute. For the youth when you level salute. So we ignite the people, them and soon it is splash. And we keep it clean when we reach things splash. Spring ring, what's that thing? Spring ring, Medicaid. Not your mention when we appear in the show, no more things. Mash up the place, I took the place. What do I want? Everything manifests our stern consciousness. Ask them who like the most fire in a song fest. East Fest, Gary Fest, best of the best, Brooklyn Fest. Everybody don't know you. Think Shango was the best. Follow the arrow, me no parrot, campfire, me no ramp. And me like West Kingston, Jamboree. The whole of New York, I sell me the Irie. When me turn up the fire, Irie Jamboree. Paris burning, and put get a chance. I mention another bang of silence on that. Anyway, they go with the people they want. Time! Tell this! It was a pleasure being here tonight. Yo, only one more than some help. Oh, I'm showing up. Let me tell you something. Go always remember, in life, there will be obstacles, there will be stumbling block, there will be turmoil, but always remember, that is just a part of the struggle. Don't lose hopes, don't lose faith. And if you go to watch something about that word, if it happens, so when it happens, you have to say what the positive thought out in the universe, it work for you, you hear that? Anytime the negative thought come in, it now go work. You see, that's how the universe works. So whatever you send out in the universe, it come right back at you. So if you send out the positive meditation, and that can come forward. But if you send out the negativity, coming right back at you. So always the positive. And I believe in the positivity, I'm not here again. I'm not here, oh! Oh, my yourself! Yeah, yeah! King of fire! Boy, the whole BRT I sing a warrior. Ready! It's a rocky road. Oh! Don't protect me now. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah. Well done. Tell them it's a rocky road. Road is so rough. Rocky road. Road is so tough, rocky road. Road is so rough, rocky road. Yeah, well I've been treading this road for the longest while. My career, no for them want this all. Treading this road for the longest while. Never yet try to fall another man Kyle. Treading this road for the longest while. Long time the auntie and we no stop till the soil. Treading this road for the longest while. Give away more than one thing that the smile. Treading this road for the longest while. Still my love never run out time. This a one you have to read. Tell them on no bargain, tell them on no deal. No for them no one, put them shoulder to the wheel. So them go rape, them go rob and them go kill and steal.